know. I just felt so good inside, fixed emotions I couldn't hide, just couldn't hide. Oh, mystic lady, can't you see?